So we've come across a small problem with the eBay space. So as you can see, this is the main room and it is nighttime, and I'm about to flip on the light switch. I just put in new lights and they are not working. I'm not sure why the eBay space has a little bit of issues with the light bulbs as of recently. I mean, it is currently in the 30s out here, so maybe the extreme cold temperatures is not doing well with it, but I'm just gonna grab a couple things that sold and I'll show it to you out here where this light bulb actually works. Hey, would you look at that? The light bulb just mysteriously started working as I almost started walking in here. So, alright, so hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business. We are back in the eBay HQ and we're gonna grab a couple of things that sold. Alright, so the first thing that sold was, let's see here, where did I put it? Here. Alright, so the first thing that sold was a broken Texas Instrument calculator. Now, one of these works and one of these does not work. So I'm going to test it and make sure that I actually send out the one that doesn't work, because I don't want to send them a working calculator when they paid for the price of a broken one. So I paid about $1.50 for each of these. One of them works and the other one I just sold just to get my money back and just a couple dollars. And the buyer paid shipping. All right, next thing. Where is the next thing? All right, next thing that sold is a pair of jeans. Let's go into the... All right, started with a C, something with a C. Let's see, this actually sold on my wife's profile. Okay. So my wife actually paid up on these jeans a little bit. I think she told me she picked these up for about $4 or $5. She wasn't really sure, couldn't really remember. But this morning she got an offer of about $12. She had this listed for $15.99. She dropped $1 and was able to sell it for $14.99. So very proud of her and awesome sale. So a real quick story I want to go over with you guys. Everyone that sells on eBay eventually makes a mistake. The other day I purchased Borderlands 3 from an eBay seller that had over 3,000 listings, and they're a top rated seller, and instead of Borderlands 3 I actually got Borderlands the Handsome Collection. This is obviously the same title, but this is actually just Borderlands the pre-sequel and Borderlands 2 when I just purchased the newest Borderlands 3. I messaged the seller and I was like, hey, so you sent me this instead of what I actually ordered. How do you want me to handle this? Do you want me to process a refund request, or do you just want to ship me the Borderlands 3, or how do you want me to go about this? So he apologized and then said that he'll be sending out Borderlands 3 and he'll send me the tracking number, and he'll also send me shipping label so I could ship this back to him. So I really like the way he handled things. If it were up to me and I only paid like maybe $1 for this, I probably would have just like let the person keep it. But if you guys want me to make a video about the mistakes I've done in shipping in the past, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make a separate video. But yeah, everyone makes mistakes and you don't need to be a jerk about it on eBay. If you buy something from somebody and they make a mistake, just be polite to other eBay sellers and I'm sure they'll be polite to you. Not saying that the seller of this product was impolite. He's very polite. Alright, so this is the picture that my wife sent me, so let me just make sure the pattern matches. Let's see here. Okay, it has the same distress markings on it. Kabi jeans? No idea how to actually say that brand name, but she had mentioned that this brand is actually on the uptick right now, so if you guys find any jeans of this brand, feel free to pick it up because evidently they're in style. So one of these didn't work. Let's just make sure. I have a nice little box down here with a bunch of batteries and other miscellaneous products, and it doesn't turn on, so let me just test the other one to make sure. Batteries with the new one, and it actually works. So sweet stuff. This is the one I will be keeping. All right, so I could just throw this in one of these bubble mailers, chuck it in there. Now for the jeans. I have one of these large poly bags. And just like that, we have our packages. Hey guys, in the office here, about to print off a shipping label. Today we just sold this nifty little camping utensil. I got this in that bundle of camping utensils for around $30 something. At this point, this is going to be 100% profit. So the buyer paid shipping for this, and really excited to start getting rid of a couple of these because I still have like a small little container of them. That's going to be 100% profit. So very excited. Let's see what we got here. You get a chance to draw a free stock. Let's get it. Ooh, first one at $11.69. That's awesome. And another one. That's awesome. I just got $22. Well, $23. Yeah, sweet stuff. Shout out to Tony for using my affiliate link to sign up and deposit into his account.